All right, guys, Eddie of Fliptroniks, and I'm going to be going over how to buy Dogecoin on the Coinbase Pro app for beginners. Now, for all you Doge lovers out there, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro recently listed this coin. And I'm not like the biggest fan of Doge, but I don't hate it either. It's just pretty speculative, honestly. And, you got to be willing to risk it for the biscuit if you want to buy into it, right? Because you don't know if it's going to go up or down. But Coinbase, I just pulled it up. We've got it on Coinbase Pro here. And if you've never used Coinbase Pro before, basically it's the trading app for Coinbase. You're automatically enrolled into it once you sign up on Coinbase. Now, the cool thing about the Pro version, though, is that the fees are a lot lower on here. So when it comes to buying and selling, it's like 0.5%, both ways, as opposed to anywhere from like 0.5 to 1.5 on Coinbase. Now, we're going to take a closer look at Doge on here. You could also see some of what I'm currently holding on Coinbase Pro, which is Engine, and I'm down quite a bit on that. I really don't want to talk about it, but it is what it is, right? Anyways, buying Dogecoin is pretty straight up. You could just click on, USD to fund your account, choose how you want to do that. If you got some money on the regular Coinbase, you could transfer it over, and then you're basically good to go. Now, the nicest thing, though, about Coinbase Pro, other than the fees, that they have stop loss features and charts where you can actually like pull up the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frames, things like that for candlesticks if you're into looking at that. But definitely the stop loss features on Coinbase Pro is where it's at, because if you automatically want to sell Dogecoin at some point without looking at it when it hits a certain price, that's what a stop loss feature is. Okay. All right. Other than Doge, though, I did want to recommend 2 or 3 different coins that, I think are at a good price right now, with crypto being pretty down at the moment. Not financial advice, but I really like Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, even if it's not around a few years from now, the price on it has still yet to break its all-time highs, right? And, it's been a top 10, top 15 crypto for a long time. And I think under $1,000 on Bitcoin Cash, I mean, you can't lose. I just feel like you cannot lose. This coin is going to get over, $2,000-$3,000 by the end of the year, hopefully. Next coin we're going to be taking a look at here is going to be, Engine. Now, I'm down a ton of money. I bought in at $3.06, so I'm just in a lot of pain right now on this coin. However, it is the #1 gaming cryptocurrency. So, it's also in the NFT space. It's been around since 2012. It's got a lot of room to go up still. It hit $4, came crashing down to like $1. We've kind of been stuck between $1 and $2 for a little bit, but I think we could see Engine get to between 10 and 15 bucks. Honestly, that's what I think. All right, and the last coin that I would recommend taking a look at, because the price is really good on it, is Stellar XLM. Now, Stellar is a coin that's used for the banks, but it's also for individual users. It's also been around for a long time, so it has staying power, and it's another coin that has yet to break its all-time high of around 90 cents. It got kind of close to it at one point this year, but it came crashing down like a lot of other coins, and that is what it is, guys. But yeah, I mean, Dogecoin, like I said, don't hate it, don't love it, but it is on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. All right, so like I said, if you guys could smash like button on this video, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and we'll see you in the next one.